Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be working on this animation. The menu is animated, so this animation was shared with me with a friend of mine that asked me to like recreate it. So let's get started by creating our desktop frame. So I'll click on the frame icon, click on desktop. Now we're going to draw another frame that we'll use for the background here. Let's add some fill to it. Let's make use of green this time. So I'm going to draw another frame. Hold and shift to make sure it's a perfect circle. Now that's good enough. But I'm going to pull out the frame so it's outside of it. Click on eye, click the color. Let's align. Let's apply some effects to it. Drop shadow effects. Let's use 40 here. 40. Let's make use of 60. And let's make use of 40 here. That's perfect. So let's also adjust the color. Let's pick from the color and take it to the dark side. Then bring down the opacity to like 15 or 10. I think this is fine. Alright, that's perfect. So the next thing we like to do is to also add, like create our menu. So we're gonna click on the frame icon and create where we have our menu items. So we already created it. Let's apply some filter. Click on I, select it. Now let's write home. Make it bigger. Scale it. Okay, that's enough. Duplicate. Let's make this about, and let's this the contact. Going to define it. Yeah, this is great. Align center with a fill of white. Now let's take it in to where we want it to be. Perfect. So it's already centralized. Okay, now let's bring in our menu icon. So I would like to pick it from the other one I've designed earlier. So let's just pick the menu, bring it down to our file here, paste it. So let's give it the color we are working with in this design. Now let's also bring our, before we move forward on this, I'll say we should duplicate our page. So what we do, we duplicated our page. So we're going to do some adjustments on this frame by rotating it, because we're going to apply a prototype that has to do with smart animate. So for us to apply, while we smart animate our object, so we'll try to make a cool transition. So let's like rotate these elements. Okay, you can come down and just apply 90. Let's apply minus 90 here, and let's make this 90 also. So this is going to be our menu, and we are going to pull out our menu. So let's just hold down, click and drag, then hold down spacebar so it doesn't come out. So this is perfect the way it is. So we have our menu hidden down here, and this is the other menu we'll be working with. Also, we need to also change this to the close button. So I'll change the color to white here. So we have white, and since I want it to be cool, have this cool menu icon transition to the close icon, I'm going to edit this. So let's just do some quick edits. Or we can just bring the opacity down for this so it becomes 0 and it doesn't show. Then we can increase the width to like 6. Yeah, I think this looks much better. So the next thing we like to do, let's bring other elements of our design so we can make it look cooler. So we'll bring it from the previous design we made earlier, like the logo and the social icons. 23 V. Oh, sorry, I didn't select the frame. Then the next thing we also like to change the color. Also bring in our image. What else do we need to bring in? Okay, we also need to bring in our form. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's also adjust the colors when necessary. Hold down Ctrl or Command to change that. And for this, allow it to come down here. Then you can use this cursor to pick your color. Also, we also need to take it to the other page. So let's select it all. Command C, Command V. So let's take it back. So Control or Command square bracket, right and left. So it's already behind, as you can see right here. So the next thing we'd like to do is to prototype what we've done so far. So we're trying to take when we click on the hamburger menu, it takes us to this way, and when we close it, it brings us back here. So we go to prototype, we select the hamburger menu, we direct it to this screen. So on click, it will open. Then the animation we're applying is Smart Animate, so we can use ease in, ease out under 1 second. So let's apply all the effects we also needed to bring us back to the screen. So we on click Smart Animate, ease in, ease out 1 second. Now that's perfect. Now let's click on our flow to see what we have. So this is our screen. Now let's click on our menu icon. Yay, as you can see, it's done. What do you think about it? Oh, I noticed a bit of an error. This is still appearing right when we are sharing. So let me quickly go back to our screen and adjust. So I'm guessing the reason for that is because of the layers where it's appearing. So we're going to adjust that shortly. We're still going to bring it down. So Command. So it's right below the frame, right down on our main desktop page. So it's not going to appear there anymore. Let's see where this also stands so we don't make that mistake. Also Command, take it down. Yeah, now it's right at the base of the frame. So let's play our prototype one more time and see what we have. Restart, click on it. Yay, it's working perfectly fine. So that's it, guys, how to create a menu animation both for your hamburger menu and the close icon, then also with the menu items. Thank you. Remember to like and subscribe for this video, and you can share in the comment section what you like us to do next in the next tutorial. Cheers.